here at Bennett, we work with so many international families, and a lot of our international families are not as familiar with these evaluations and assessments that are very common here in the US school system, but oftentimes are not used as frequently in other countries. And so in those instances, those international families have a couple different options, which is to seek out and find a private evaluator in the country where they live who can conduct the evaluation. They can also find a US trained evaluator that may live in the country where they are who can administer the test. I just worked with a family recently who had a high school age son who had never been evaluated previously, but needed to be evaluator. And they were able to find somebody in their country that conducted the evaluation. And then once it was completed and the report was created, they used a professional translator to translate the report into English. And then that was submitted. It was a private school placement submitted to the admissions committee in the application process, and everything worked out beautifully. So that's just an example of a national family that was able to do so successfully.